My name is Anthony and welcome back to another video. Today's video, we just caught a squirrel in my bird's cage. Look at it. There's my bird. We're gonna leave him inside there for the rest of his life. He tried to eat our fruit in the trees. Hey! Stop. Tell us so long. He's climbing. What are you doing up there? How did you get there? Stop. Stop eating the leaves. Fine. Get out. You're gonna get out. Okay. That's what he gets for thing. Bubba, come here. Bubba, come here. Bubba, come here. There's a squirrel stuck in the cage.
Oh yeah?
Come here.
Oh, you stuck?
It's stuck into his cage. Still in there? Just let him go. Who? Who? Tella, I thought you were talking about the squirrel. Look, Baba, you see?
Look, Sanjab rafte dakhil qafas.
Yeah, we trapped him inside there. Yeah, take him out.
Ne khod gir kar. Biya gum shudi.
Get out.
Jump mikon. Look, alan jump mikon.
He's gonna fly. He's a flying
Hanus ham
squirrel.
dare migarde darash baze nigah.
Tella, don't do that. You're gonna fall.
Dar boss nemiyad nigah.
Come on, come out.
Thank you, Baba.
Could I nudge him? Oh, it's a flying squirrel. He just flied.
This is a jet mimune.
Tella, you saw that?
Nigah.
Oh, it's over there.
Did it?
Oh, it went.
This is a jet mimune.